This Century 21 Agate Realty property video is presented by Skip Watwood. Open concept floor plan home on a corner lot, high ceilings. Close to beaches, parks, schools and shopping. 2,036 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 BTH, open concept home. New carpet in bdrms and a LG spacious LVG room, west vaulted ceilings and a LG family room, spacious master suite, additional storage and cabinetry in the laundry room. Covered front porch, fenced yard, room for a garden, RV parking, and there is also an extra room and bathroom in detached garage. Garage has new roof. No CC&Rs. #Brookings Oregon #South Coast Oregon. For more information, review the details below or contact Skip Watwood at 541